Hi, this is All Things Property with me, Zamantungwa Khumalo. Can't pay for your bond? Speak to your bank. A lot of homeowners or property investors might find themselves in a difficult position due to the increases in the standard of living. And maybe because of this, you might be struggling to pay for your bond. But don't panic. The first thing is to reach out to your bank. You want to find out if you're able to renegotiate the terms of your home loan. Maybe you might need a payment holiday until you get back on your feet. What's really important is to not skip your home loan payments when you can't make them every month. Doing this will ensure that you don't compromise your credit score or your financial position. So reach out to your bank and start that conversation. For more tips and advice on all things property, go to our blog on www.builders.co.za.